Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances. The biggest complaint we have service call wise on any front load washer is an oversudsing fault or an issue with the pump. A lot of that is due to people using too much detergent. You always want to make sure you're using high efficiency detergent. High efficiency detergent is signified with an HE on the front of the package. So you always want to use HE detergent. You never want to use detergent sheets that are becoming more common, because those will get caught in the pumps and you will have a very, very expensive service call, and you're going to blame the machine when it's actually those sheets. Also, you don't want to use pods unless your washing machine dictates that there's a specific cycle for pods, because more water has to go through the soap cup to dilute those pods. But if you don't have enough water and enough force of that water going through, the remnants of those pods are going to get stuck in the machine and ultimately end up in the pump. The maximum amount of detergent you ever want to use is 1 to 2 tablespoons. This is 1 tablespoon. So for a normal load, 1 tablespoon or one of these. This is just a cough syrup beaker, or some of the detergents do come with this. If you've got a heavier, dirtier load, you can use up to 2 of these and just put those into the soap cup. If you are going to use fabric softener, and we're not a big, we don't recommend fabric softener, you have to really, really, really dilute it. And I'm going to stress, if you're going to use fabric softener, you have to dilute it, because there's wax in fabric softener, and if it's not properly diluted, all you're going to get is fabric softener inside the machine. It's going to ultimately turn to mildew. Also, you always want to leave at the end of the cycle, you want to leave your door open. So some washing machines have vent options on them. Most compact units do not. So be sure to always leave that open at the end of the cycle. If you have any questions, go to donsappliances.com and always comment below.